Francis Scott here, Reverse Comics News. We are here with also our lovely colleague
Jason Evermore.
And Jason and I happen to, I don't know, why are we wearing the same shirt? Oh, what a coincidence.
It's a coincidence.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, as we're here coincidentally at Comic-Con at the same time, and coincidentally we're here at the Thunderbolts ice cream truck.
Yep.
Here, you have the, what was it?
Winter Soldier Swirl.
And I have the Red Guardian Swirl. Yep. And we're going to enjoy these. Why don't we go take a look at the truck and see what's going on? Got a big line waiting for this. Let's go check it out, guys.
Starts on the credits.
Remember, check out Thunderbolts, now out on digital, soon to come out on home media. Have fun, guys.